This is Ranger Kidwell Ross. We're at NPE. We have with us Frank Chulick, and Frank is president of Stewart-Amos Sweeper Company, and he is going to talk about their Galaxy Air Sweeper. And thanks, Frank. Welcome, and tell us about this machine.
Well, thanks, Ranger. I appreciate the opportunity to show off our latest product, which is the Galaxy series. We introduced those last year. They're a true regenerative air street sweeper, and we're particularly delighted with the design that we have on these sweepers. The design criteria for this being a 6 cubic yard stainless steel hopper on the non-CDL chassis. And those features combined with several other items give us a sweeping package that really is hard to beat. We'll start with the power plant, 61 horsepower, Perkins Caterpillar diesel engine, and from there that drives the power band to the key welded Hardox impeller fan, creating a lot of CFM, and from there it pulls the vacuum out of the tank, or it blows the air out of the tank. The tank then, being made of stainless steel, will eject the load. As you can see, the dump angle on this is very high, and that stainless steel is extremely smooth. So we can get a lot of material out in a hurry for the customer. And it's a 6.1 cubic yard hopper with a full width rear door. But getting back to the impeller fan, it's a key welded fan, which that means that the welds on it won't blow apart in use, and sometimes happens to other models, which causes problems for the fan. And then from there we use a lot of items that make it also easy to maintain. Notice the intake tube itself. That's made out of Hardox AR steel again, and it's bolt-in as opposed to welded in, which makes for replacement very less time consuming. And then the other features of our sweeper that makes it so much better than similar models of this size is we use a blast orifice style hood as opposed to just a straight suction hood, and with the down pressure on this too. And we also, the key thing here is it's the airflow. And from the airflow, what I mean by that is in the rear, we use, that's 28 square feet of screen separation, stainless steel screen separation. And with what that does is won't choke down. As you sweep, obviously things will cause those screens to clog up. If you look at other models, they have about half that screen thick. So it's like playing golf with your hands around your throat. It's hard to play when you're all choked up. While we're back, so that's the main thing, that the airflow, the blast orifice hood, the key welded fan, Hardox steel fan, those are the key ingredients that let this machine sweep. Again, hold 6.1 cubic yards volumetric in the hopper. While we're back here, we also feature on this unit an 8-inch wandering suction hose to get those catch basins and things like that. It's spring balanced and very easy for an operator to use. Coming around here, you notice a few little features here. This is a full width hopper door, a full width container. I'll go get the other side open.
So what Frank is doing is going around to the other side to open the other side storage door to show that there is a...
As you can see, it's full width. You can put rakes, shovels, brooms, backpack blowers. There's a lot of room in these.
Yeah, there sure is.
One other thing on our hopper, it is stainless steel, which does several things for you. First, as I'd mentioned, it helps eject the load, but it's also, we use a bolt-together design, which should a panel be damaged in some way, you can replace that panel very easily. The other thing that happens on air sweepers is the tunnel eventually wears out, requires much welding and or replacement. As you can see, the top of our tunnel is a cover that's just a stainless steel plate door that is easily replaced. The other thing that you can see here is an operator, when it's time to hose the unit down, can easily hose it down without getting underneath or getting himself filthy from all that. And we use water spray nozzles here above the screens, which helps clean it during cleaning operation. And then it also, this is where the airflow is the slowest during the sweeping operation, and it allows us to coat the dust at its slowest, and then the debris falls down into the hopper, protecting the fan even more, which is an important feature. So, as you can see, we feature dual gutter brooms on this unit as standard equipment. Obviously, you can have a deduct if you don't need that. And then safety features, safety props, and things like that. Inspection doors on the hopper. And then the controls inside are very easy to operate. As you can see, continuing with our design philosophy, Stewart-Amos puts a rear backup safety camera on every sweeper we manufacture, and when it's not dualized like this unit, we put a camera on the side gutter broom on the front bumper here, so that the operator can see, with the help of the 8-inch convex mirrors, he can see his gutter broom. He or she can see their gutter broom as easily as if they were in a dual steer unit. So we find the maneuverability of this chassis to be stellar. 16-foot 9-inch turning radius, and it's a very fuel efficient combination. So the work, the fuel efficiency, the productivity, the bottom line is, for the contractor, they can make a lot of money with this unit. So, but Ranger, we appreciate all your efforts for our industry, and if there's anything we can do, let us know. And if you're interested in our product, give us a call. Thank you.
And they can reach you, website and phone number?
Website, Stewart-Amos.com, and the phone number is 800-482-2302. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Frank. And thank you for being one of our sponsors for the NPE coverage. We appreciate it at World Sweeper too.
We appreciate it. Thank
Thanks.
you.